Seagull is a type of seabird. There are over 20 species of seagulls that can be found all over the planet, even on the Arctic and Antarctica. Besides islands and coasts, some species inhabit deserts and terrestrial habitats that are located far away from the water. Seagulls are very old creatures. They exist on the planet at least 30 to 33 million years. Seagulls are treated as pests in some parts of the world because they are noisy, release huge quantities of droppings and destroy private properties. Number of seagulls is large and stable in the wild. These birds are not on the list of endangered animals. Interesting seagull facts. Smallest species of seagulls can reach 11.5 inches in length and 4.2 ounces of weight. Large species can reach 30 inches in length and 3.8 pounds of weight. Body of most seagulls is covered with white plumage. Wingtips are usually black or dark in color. Some species are gray or entirely white. Seagull has strong body, elongated legs and webbed feet. Beak is slightly hooked and usually yellow in color. Seagulls are one of the rare animals that are able to drink salt water. They have special glands, located above the eyes, which eliminate excess salt from the body. Diet of seagulls includes different types of insects, earthworms, small rodents, reptiles and amphibians. They also consume seed, fruit and leftovers of human meals. Seagulls are very intelligent birds. They use breadcrumbs to attract fish and produce rain-like sound with their feet to attract earthworms hidden under the ground. Seagulls transfer all hunting skills and techniques to their offspring. Seagulls often steal food from other birds, animals and people. They occasionally eat young members of their own species, phenomenon called cannibalism. Main predators of seagulls are large birds of prey, such as eagles. Seagulls live in colonies that consist of few pairs of birds or couple of thousands birds. Seagulls use wide repertoire of sounds and body language for communication. Seagulls are monogamous creatures. They mate for a lifetime. Mating couple gathers each year during the mating season to reproduce and to take care of their offspring. Even though they live in large colonies, breeding couple occupies and defends its territory from the nearby couples. Couple collects plant material and builds nest together. Nests are cup-shaped and usually located on the ground or hardly accessible cliffs. Depending on the species, female can lay 1, 2 or 3 dark brown or olive green eggs. Incubation period lasts 22 to 26 days. Fathers play very important role in feeding of chicks. Young birds live in nursery flocks where they learn all skill required for independent life. Lifespan of seagulls depends on the species. Most seagulls can survive from 10 to 15 years in the wild.